Now, question of the day: a particle is projected with velocity 10 meter per second at angle theta. This equals 37 degree. Okay. So first of all, if you see very carefully, a particle is projected like that one. Okay, and that angle is 37 degree. Okay, and this one is u. Okay. So what about vector u? Vector u is written as ux I cap plus uy j cap. Ux means u cos 37, u cos 30 means t 10 cos 37 into I cap, and that one is 10 sin 37 degree into j cap. Clear? Cos 37 is 0.8, so 10 into 0.8 into I cap, and that one is 10 into 0.6 into j cap. Okay. After that, what about that value? That is 8 I cap plus 6 j cap. That is the initial velocity u. Okay. Now, what about after t time velocity? V this is equal to written as u vector u plus vector a into t. Okay. U is already given. What about a? A this is equal to ax I cap ay j cap. In horizontal force, no any horizontal force, air friction is 0, so that is 0. And if particle is going on upward direction, it means projected like with angle theta, okay, with horizontal, then this particle is going on upward direction, okay, path like that one. So that time in y direction, which friction, which acceleration or work? Here deceleration means that is minus g, a gravity work in opposite direction of the motion, so that is minus g into j cap. Okay, g means that is 9.8, or your simplicity point of view you can take in 10. So if you have taken 9.8, then what about v? V this is equal to v u is 8 I cap plus 6 j cap plus that one is a is how much? 9.8 into j cap into what about time? Time after 1 second, so simply written 1. Okay, after that, that one is written 8 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 9.8 j cap. So that is j and that is j. So we got minus 3.8 j cap. Clear or not? That is v. After t time, after 1 second, what about velocity? 8 I cap minus 3.8 j cap. So what about magnitude of the velocity after 1 second? So that one is written 8 square plus 3.8 to the whole square. That one is 8 point something. Okay, 8 square plus 3.8 to the whole square, like that one. Under root of that one is 8.85 meter per second. Okay, this is the part A. Now we have focused on part B. The angle between initial velocity and the velocity after 1 second. Initial velocity is how much? Initial velocity v. After 1 second, that is velocity v. Okay, so I know that a dot b this is equal to mod a mod b into cos alpha. So that formula apply here. Cos alpha is written as a means u dot v divided by mod u into mod v. Okay, what about a? U is 8 I cap plus 6 j cap dot 8 I cap minus 3.8 j cap whole divided by mod u. Mod u is how much? Under root of 8 square plus 6 square into under root of 8 square plus 3.8 to the whole square. So what about that value? 64 minus 3.8 into 6. 3.8 into 6, that is how much? 22.8. Divided by that one is 10. And what about that value? That is 8.85. Okay, so 64 minus 22.8, that is 41.2 divided by 8.5. okay, so what about that value? Divided by 88.5, 0.46, 0.4655. So what about alpha? So finally that is cos inverse, that is 62. So alpha is finally 62.25 degree. Okay, so clear or not? So alpha, here written alpha, this will equal to 62.25 degree. Make it.